But the reason you snore through your mouth is because you can't breathe through your nose. That's why I normally use breathing strips, but I found this one that's way better. It uses magnets and it literally just peels your nostrils wide open. There's 4 different levels. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. This is the one I normally use. It just literally so much oxygen to the brain, I can't even explain it. If you're like me and you have deviated septum, these things really do work to just really get the most air out of every breath. And these things are so cheap right now. They're on sale. I linked it down below if you want to grab one, but you gotta be quick.